Alright, what is up guys? I am back with another video. This is kind of like a vlog, but like not really, but kind of. I don't really know. I'm posting this on my lifestyle channel, but today I'm doing an unedited drive with me kind of video. So yeah, one take, no edits. This is gonna be really weird, like not editing everything out where I don't know what I'm saying. So yeah, someone is crossing the street. And I waved to him, he was like, who is that? And then that's one of my coworkers. But yeah, I just got out of work. It is Wednesday. It is about 2:20 right now. I worked from 5:30 in the morning. I work every Wednesday morning because that's like our truck day. So that's when we have to take everything off of the truck and unpack everything, unbox everything, unwrap everything, put it all away. Oh. And yeah, it takes a long time. So we just like basically restock the store. So yeah. I was working from 5:30 till 2. I usually work till like 11 or 11:30, but they asked me if I could stay an extra like 3 hours. And I said yes because I need money. So I just got out, really tired, really hungry, and I am heading home now. I think I need gas. Yeah, I need gas. I have like 60 miles, but I don't feel like getting it right now. So I'm gonna wait until later. But yeah, I just wanted to do this video to kind of like just talk, because I haven't really vlogged in a little while. My life's been kind of weird lately. Not like weird, but like not very interesting lately. I've just been working a lot, and okay, I need to get in front of you buddies, so thank you. I've just been working a lot. I work at the Container Store. I don't think I mentioned that, but I work at the Container Store, and I've been working a lot these past few weeks, and that's just kind of what I've been up to. So yeah. What else? See, this is so weird. I'm like, why am I like nervous right now? I'm not like nervous, but like, I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, oh my god, there's so much construction. One of my new teammates comes today. She comes tonight around like 5:30 or 6, and she is from Austria, and I'm so excited to meet her. Her name's Valentina, and you guys will definitely see her in the vlog soon because she knows that I vlog, and she's like very like, what's the word? Very with it, I guess. Like she wants to be part of the vlogs, I think. So y'all will see her in the vlogs. She seems like she'll want to be in them. So yeah, she's coming tonight. I start classes on Monday. I'm taking 5 classes like normal this semester, but my school does scheduling like a little differently. So I'm taking 3 classes the first block, so like the first 7 weeks, like January to March, and then I'm taking I think 4 the second block, because some of them are the whole semester. So this block I have a class Monday night from 5:30 to 8. I forget which one that is. It's some digital filmmaking class. I think I don't remember. I have a Monday class, and then I have a class on Wednesday afternoons, like 1:30 to 4. And then I have to take this like random humanities class. It's like human world views or something. I don't even know why I have to take it, but it's required for my major. So I'm taking that online because I didn't like really want to go into that class, because like my other classes are like hands-on, so like there's not an option to do it online, but I wouldn't want to do them online anyways because they're like hands-on, using the cameras, like all of that kind of stuff. But this class I just decided to do online because that way I don't have to like schedule off that time. Like I can work basically during that time. Like if I had that class, it's a 7-week class, so it would be like 5 hours each week. I don't have to go in. I can like work and make money like during that time. I don't know if that made any sense, but yeah, I'm taking that online. So that starts Monday. I also start tennis on Monday. We just have like 3 days a week right now, and then in March we start our full spring, like 5 days a week practice, matches, all of that. But right now it's just 3 days a week. So yeah, that's what's coming up. I have a few trips coming up that I'm really excited for. And yeah, I think that's about it. Just a lot of stuff coming up in the very near future, aka Monday. So yeah, that's kind of my update on life, I guess. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say. I deep cleaned my room the other day, like full on deep clean, like everything in my room. I took everything off of my shelves, dusted everything. It was like disgusting. But I deep cleaned it and I am so happy. I feel like a new person. Cause like I clean a lot, like I clean my room once a week, just like regular, like, you know, vacuuming my floor, like my rug or carpet? Rug. I don't know, whatever. Carpet. No, I don't know. I have like hardwood floors, but I have a rug, carpet, whatever. Whatever you call it, okay? I can't think right now. I'm so tired. I've been up since like 4:30 in the morning. So anyways, what I'm trying to say is I clean my room once a week, but not like a deep clean, just like a, you know, like wipe down stuff kind of clean. But I deep clean my room for the first time in a while, probably like a year, I think. But that made me feel a whole lot better. So yeah, I did that. What else have I done? I don't know. I've honestly just been working a lot. That's pretty much like what I've been doing. Oh, and I've been going, can't talk. And I've been going to the gym a lot. I'm going today. I'm gonna rest for a little bit because my back is killing me. Like lifting boxes and everything. Like, ooh, like I wouldn't consider myself a weak person. Like, I think I'm pretty strong, but I've been doing it for like hours and I already have back problems and my back is like killing me. But whatever, I'm gonna rest for a little bit and I'm gonna go to the gym later and just do like kind of like a normal workout for today. I'm not going like too crazy today because my back does like really hurt. So yeah, just been working, going to the gym, trying to get tough, strong, you know, all of that stuff. And yeah, this turn is taking forever. All right, here we go. More cars are coming. All right, I'm gonna do it. Woo! Nah, JK. I didn't even like go that fast. Need to get over. Oh my god, 3 of us all just went like switched lanes at the same time. That was weird. Yeah, I'm almost home. You know what? I'm gonna play some music because I don't know what else to talk about. Let's see what's on.
That was not so bad, was it?
This is my my workout playlist.
That was not so bad, was it? Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it. And lean back, put your hips in it.
Oh, it's over. I love that song. I think it's so funny. No, I don't really want this song. Ooh.
I know you came here to see.
If you're a freak, then you come along with me.
And I know what you came here to do. So bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real.
It's going down for real. It's going down for real.
Girl, just kiss the girl. I do buy shit. Shake for a shake. I'm throwing these Emirates in the sky. Spinning this salsa, llama, make them piece the M-O-N-E-Y. I love my beaches, south beaches, surf, board and high tide. I can just roll up, cause I'm swole up. So that birthday cake in the Cobra.
My hair is like coming out. My ponytail.
The autobiography rover. Got the key to my city, it's over. No thoughts, only in the color covers. I said rackets, wretches, hold up. I said rackets, wretches, hold up. I know you came here to see. If you're a freak, then you come on with me.
Should've gone.
And I know what you came here to do.
Crap, I'm like
Now
way up
bust it
here.
open, let me see you get going down for real. It's going down for real.
I should have gone. What am I doing?
It's going down. It's going down further than famous girls. Get wetter than Katrina.
Whatever.
Girl, you never seen it. Cause my tins by limousines. My touch say it's the Midas. With a plus, your man a minus. My team blowing on that slam. Make it cough, that's bronchitis. Put your hands up. It's a stick up, no more makeup. Get that ass on the floor, ladies. Put your lipstick up. Double entendre, double entendre. While you hating, I get money, then I double up conquers. I know who you came here to see. If you a freak, then you come on with me. And I know what you came here to do. Now bust it open, let me see you get loose. It's going down for real.
School's just let out, so there's like kids everywhere. All these kids, man. Oh. I'm like sweating. Truck is no joke, you guys. Like, I was so tired today. Speed bump! Woo! I hate speed bumps. If I ever became president, I would get rid of all speed bumps in the world because I hate speed bumps. So, yeah, there's like 4 on this street. Like, why are there 4? I don't understand. I mean, I know there's like a school there and everything, but still, like, I hate speed bumps, okay? Oh my god. This kid is literally carrying, like, is dragging, like, a Christmas tree across the lawn. What in the world is this kid doing? I don't know if you guys will be able to see him, but he's literally dragging a tree across the thing. He saw me laughing at him. Okay, well, I'm almost home. I'm so hungry. I got Chick-fil-A today for lunch because I wasn't planning to stay, like, you know, longer, but then they asked me to, so I had an hour off for lunch, so I went and got Chick-fil-A because I didn't bring any food. So, yeah, but I am home now. Hope y'all enjoyed this vlog. I hope my camera's still recording because it was low on battery, so watch it, like, die, and, like, I didn't even realize that it died, like, 10 minutes ago, but whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you on my next video. Peace out, okay? Ew, why did I say that? Goodbye.